Wow, welcome to my channel, guys. Thank you for always tuning in. I appreciate you all. For the first time of tuning in, please do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you're notified when we have new videos. Yes. And for our returning subscribers, thank you for always showing us support. We appreciate you so much. I hope we're all keeping safe during this pandemic. So what are we doing today? It's going to be a garland. I'll be using a combination of blue and yellow. I always like that combination, but with a uniqueness to it. I hope you like it. Please watch to the end. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Leave your comments in the comment section. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you. God bless you. So I start out by inflating my balloons. I used a total of 54 12-inch balloons inflated randomly. Press the balloon down a bit to have a roundish shape and not an oval shape. This helps the garland to come out beautiful and you'd attain the needed shape. For the yellow balloons, I used a total of 31 12-inch balloons. I had to pop along the line, so I had to make do with what I have. I also inflated 8 pieces of 12-inch balloons. This was used to create the flower. If you have the 5-inch balloon, you can also use it for the same. It's also good. And here's my 2 pairs of balloon twisted together to make a quad. And then I'll be putting the blue balloon in between, twisting it around so that it's held firmly in place. And now we have a flower. So beautiful. Now I'll be building my garland, placing the pairs of balloon over one another and using the ribbon to hold it in place. This same process needs to be repeated over. Just place a pair of balloon. You can see my daughter doing the same thing right behind me. Hi everyone. She's saying every hi to everyone. So we'll continue placing a pair of balloon right over the other, using the ribbon to hold it in place, and we just build it up to the size that we want. Remember, the balloon doesn't have to have a precise size, just a random size. Just make sure that it's similar in size, not too big and not too small, and I'm sure you'd have a lovely garland. Let's go on together, guys. Using the ribbon, I held the garland firmly in place onto the frame, and it was very firm. Here is what we have, guys. at this moment is forming up already. So we can see this up there. So what I use to hold it up firmly, use a safety pin to put the balloon in place. I'm going to show you right now. While trying to attach the balloon to the backdrop, the pin popped the balloons. So you have to be very careful, guys. So I eventually attached the balloon successfully to the backdrop. In total, I attached 8 of the flowers. I attached 4 first and later decided to fill the gap beneath, and in that place I attached 4 more. Although I lost that clip, but you would see the result, the end result at the end of the video. These are some petals that I got from a flower that I'd previously used. That is the flower there. I'd previously used it, so I just removed the petals, and I'll be using this glue to attach it to the garland. This is what I have now after attaching the petals to the garland. So beautiful. This is the end result of our decoration, guys. I eventually added, like I said, 4 more flowers. So we now have 8 pieces of flowers, and here is our garland. I hope you like it. Please do well to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to receive notifications when we have new videos. Thank you for watching.